what are you going to do for this year? Not get married, stay up, sell you anything. Oh, you're going to be like that.
Last week I put a call out to our community to come to our office and knit for wildlife injured by the horrific bushfires. And we have had such an amazing response today. There's dozens of people here knitting to make sure that animals are safe. And I'll be going to the South Coast next week and taking all these little pouches and big pouches to hand over to animal welfare groups who are doing an incredible job looking after our wildlife.
And we
YouTube on
What type of pouches are we making today, Mehreen?
We're making large ones for joeys, and we're making little ones for baby possums and other little gliders who might be suffering from these bushfires.
Oh, great. How many threads?
Sorry?
How many threads? Or is it threads or stitches that you put on?
Stitches. So it's 100 stitches for the big pouches and 50 for the little ones. And we've got amazing colors, and we can mixing and matching the pinks and the yellows and the blues. It's just a wonderful atmosphere here.
down on